Sorry that you missed the live session. We're going to talk today about some of the advanced features of Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. I'm going to demo here in Excel, and then you're going to be using Sheets for our project this week and next week. So I do all of my grades in Excel because I've set up some pretty advanced formulas in here. So let's add another assignment here. And let's say that we were doing today's assignment. So we have 10 points for today's assignment, which is 12 Days of Christmas Part 1. And let's say that Batgirl got all 10 points. Batman didn't really care. He didn't use any capitals. He only got 2 points. Black Panther did great. Captain America did great. Flash did fine, just a couple mistakes. Ms. Marvel had a couple mistakes. Spider-Man had a couple mistakes. Do you see how when I type these numbers over here change, it's altering the running average because it's calculating it for me. Let me type another number in here, and here, and there. All right, the one thing that my workbook doesn't do correctly is it doesn't color it until I scroll down and back up. So let me do that. So I have it set up to color any of the N's or U's, the needs improvements or unacceptables, in red, satisfactory is yellow, and outstanding is in green. And all of those are calculated with the different breakdowns of scores that are in here. I can do printouts for the families if I wanted to. So it has all of them in here. I can add a general comment that'll print on each one. And when I go to print, it does each student on their own page. So I've got 15 pages worth because I didn't change my print preview here. But so I can see the grades for each person and send that to the parents if I wanted to. Let's look at another way to use the calculation features in Excel. So let's say that you wanted to have an origami owl party and your name is Jane Smith. And you're having that party today, which is 12/9/20, and you're going to have it at Trinity West. All right, once I've put those in here, those will automatically populate to all of my order forms because I've set it up with formulas. That's what I didn't show you in the last one, the superhero grades example. This does not have info typed in it. It has a formula typed in it. So it's pulling the info from the other sheet. Let me show you some calculations. So let's say that you want to buy a large silver locket. You're going to get one of those and it costs $36. And you're going to buy charms. You're getting 3 of those. They are $5 each. And you're going to buy a silver chain. You need one of those, and it's $14. All right, did you see how my order total was adding all those up? So it automatically multiplied the quantity times the price to get me a total, and my order total is adding all of these. Again, if you look behind the scenes in my formula bar here, you can see I have formulas typed to figure out all of those calculations. This formula is kind of complicated. It's adding up some different features, and here's why I have it a little bit more technical. Different states charge tax differently. So let's say that I'm doing the shipping cost is the standard $5.95. And the tax rate in Pennsylvania is 6%. And Pennsylvania does charge tax on shipping, whereas if I were in Virginia, I would be typing a no there. So all of those calculations are made and adjusting my order total. And if I go back to the party summary, all of the calculations happen in here as well. So from that order, I have earned $45.50 towards my personal volume. I need $75 a month. And I have earned $19.50 commission, which is money to me for making the sale of that jewelry. So this order form does a lot of great calculations to keep things simple and organized for me. And it's just a matter of setting it all up once and then it does the work. That's the power in Excel and Google Sheets is it does math calculations. Now, last year, you were just learning how the Excel cells work. And we learned that we go and type things in our formula bar, whether it's strictly information or whether it is our formulas. We didn't actually learn formulas last year, but we learned how to type things in the cells and we learned how to color the cells and things like that. You did an Excel project where you spelled the word cool with different colors, and you also did one where you made a word search for winter words. So as fourth graders, we're going to take this a step further and we're going to be working on the calculations. Today, though, I just need you to set up your document. So let me model for you how we're going to do that. We're going to go into our Canvas class and we'll go to the fourth grade technology. We're going to our weekly lessons just like always. And today you were working in lesson 7 on 12 days of Christmas. We're going to do half the assignment this week and half next week. Okay, usually it jumps you to the bottom. Mine jumped back up again though, so that's good. So if you cannot read the directions yourself, you always have these blue buttons where I will read to you. So I'll let you go ahead and play that or read that. And then we go into the part 1 directions for December 9th because that is today. You've got 5 steps. It says you're clicking the blue open to attach and submit, clicking on your file, typing everything correctly, close out of your Sheets project because it will automatically save, and press the blue submit button.